Hello everyone and welcome to the complete all-in-one Python and SQL course for backend development. This course will give you a very strong foundation which will allow you to start your backend journey in confidence. We will learn Python and SQL, we will know how to communicate with databases, how to configure and manage a database, and how to write advanced queries in order to communicate with the database. I have been writing a lot of code on the server side, and I can tell you with confidence that knowing SQL is a must-have skill, especially in backend development. And a lot of courses nowadays don't even cover it, which is very bad. This course will give you all the necessary tools you will need to get into backend development. We will start with SQL and then we will learn Python, and after that we will build a complete REST API. We will also cover advanced topics such as concurrency and parallelism, how to run a couple of things at the same time, and much more. No prior knowledge is needed. We teach you everything you need to know. I am confident to say that after finishing this course, you will gain very strong skills for backend development. I am there for you and I am available for all your questions and can't wait to see you in the course.